Hi, I'm looking at integrated space weather and the object down here, and this, see that blast coming off there? And then I'm gonna zoom in up here because there's a little dot that appears right there that I have no idea what it is, and I want to just record it. So this will take a while. Okay, it's coming up. Just a little dot. There. Anyway, I just wanted to record that, so I don't know, look at it later. I almost want to say something goes by here and agitates it. But there's really not enough to observe to say that. But something is making the sun excited on this spot. Anyway, that'll be the blast that comes out. And then I'm just looking at this again. Looks like there's two spouts going up that time. So this seems to be moving away, being pushed away. There's those half loops, not coronal prominences or loops or whatever. This is energy coming up. I don't know. About this big, maybe? Just see, it just stops. All this energy goes sort of to a wall and stops. So is it this big? This big? And then it seems to sort of divide. It seems like it turns into two. So is that pushing it away there? It's hard to tell. But that definitely looks like something right there. Anyway, moving on. Here's the 211 angstroms. So as the sun has energy removed from it to the solar objects, this will get darker. These are the coronal holes. And because of the angle, you can't see the darkness right here. But when it comes over here, you can see it does get a little darker. Now this one is just a big blast of energy that came and hit the Earth, and I thought it was interesting. Boom, look at that big red wall right there. Not high speed, but the energy is at the top of the chart for the whole right side. And then it hits. Boom, look at that. and then it just sort of goes back and away. Anyway, I thought that's pretty neat. And here's the same time period as I showed on this one. Gets hit, but there's energy behind, same time, 4 o'clock. Anyway, that was quite a strike, I thought. Not on the same time, really. The helio viewer shows all the coronal holes, active region. Look at that. I almost could see a circle there. That's interesting. Look at that right there. Can't really zoom in on this one, but that looks like a circular object. So is it that close to the sun? I don't know. Look at that. That's interesting. Very interesting. Maybe I actually got a view of the size. Look at that circle. Anyway, okay. Just making observations. Anyway, so here's Hawaii and Guam. And they've measured particulate from Hawaii and Guam now with their instruments. And we've been watching this stuff flow this way for weeks. So there's Guam. And there's not, that's the big island. I mean, there's more people on Guam than on these, but there's no sulfur dioxide coming off them. But look at all this out into the ocean. Just everywhere. The whole ocean's bubbling. And it's obviously going to warm up. I mean, if it keeps having all these, it's going to warm up more than it has warmed up. Okay. Okay, so this is the North Pole. It's frozen. Good deal. Right here it's not, however. So that is not too encouraging. So that is melting there. This is the air conditioner of the Earth. So if it melts, then we're going to warm up pretty quick. Looks hot here. 113. And our coldest, 73 minus. And then this is interesting. There's this big comet just was here for one frame, showed up. So what's out here? Lots of stuff. So here's the CME right here. So if you just think about it, you can think if there was an object next there that agitated that, it probably got pushed away. Just massive energy. If that would have came towards the Earth, I'm sure we would have had a problem. So good thing it's going that way. Okay, thanks for looking.